Hello guys, this is Nina and this is my very first makeup tutorial. So this video will show you how I do a full face makeup when I'm attending modeling castings and if I want my makeup to last all day. So if you want to know how I do it, stay tuned. I love this product. It's a color corrector from Bobbi Brown. If you can see, it hid the dark circles around my eyes instantly. It's an amazing product. Now we look all weird and looking like an avatar, but that's okay because we're gonna blend it all out. If you want a light coverage, I will use a damp beauty blender. If you want light to medium coverage, I will use a blending brush. And if you want a full coverage, I will use a flat kabuki brush. You always want to put your bronzer on the spots where the sun usually hits you, more like a sun-kissed type of look. Okay, this is a great trick. If you put a bronzer at the bottom of your lid, it makes it look fuller. This is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Very full coverage and it will give you flawless finish. Definitely try it. Aw, haha, he's so cute. That's my husband. Just keep blending, just keep blending. So pretty much all the cream products that you put on your face, you need to set them all up with powder. So it will last you all day. The Hourglass translucent powder is actually my all-time favorite. I just ran out of it. Here I'm using a cream blush from Stila. The nude sticks are really good option as well. Most of the time I'll just use this brow tint for my brows, but if I'm going out for special occasions, I'll put deep brow on top of it. I have balls. If you put a bronzer at the bottom of your jawline, it will accentuate it. This blush is from MAC in the shade of Warm Soul. This is my absolute favorite blush. I always use it. So I don't bake for a long time because it just doesn't make sense to me. So I do some baking if I want to sharpen those contour that I made earlier, and it really works. Look at this. If you really want your makeup to last all day and night, it really takes a lot of time on prepping your face.
双手感觉你的温柔，真的有点透不过气。你的天真我想珍惜，看到你受委屈我会伤心。只怕我自己会爱上你，不敢让自己靠得太近，怕我没什么能够给你，爱你也需要很大的勇气，只怕我自己会爱上你，也许有天会情不自禁，想念只让自己苦了自己，爱上你是我情非得已，在我脑海里你的身影挥散不去。
So if you get too carried away and it gets too dark, you can always blend it with a peach eyeshadow so it can lighten it up. This is called tight lining technique. It makes your eyes look so much bigger. It makes a total difference.
只怕我自己会爱上你，不敢让自己靠得太近，怕我没什么能够给你，爱你也需要很大的勇气，只怕我自己会
For me, gel liners are way better than liquid eyeliners because they last longer.
想念只让自己苦了自己，爱上你是我情非得已。
It's okay if you overdraw it a little bit, but not too much or it will be too noticeable.
什么原因我竟然又会遇见你，我真的不愿意就这样陷入爱的陷阱，只怕我自己会爱上你，不敢让自己靠得太近，怕我没什么能够给你，爱你也需要很大的勇气，只怕我自己会爱上你，也许有天会情不自禁，想念只让自己苦了自己，爱上你是我情非得已，爱上你是我情非。
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Have a nice day.